One of the confusing parts about a Python and Excel is how to put something into a data frame. We're going to do that right now so you guys can learn. First, let's create our little Python in Excel. You do equal py. You see this little icon up here? This creates a Python formula. When you do this, click tab. Here we can see this. So in Python, we have these things called data frames and pandas and all these other things. Just forget the names. So I want to show you just really quick how you can put this into a data frame. This actually caused me to have some problems. So let's get started. So right here, we got our little py thing, right? So we go over here after doing that, and let's name our data frame. It really doesn't matter. We'll just call table equals, right? So you got your table, it's defined, that's your table variable, and we're going to put that as an object into this data frame. So here we go, we highlight all this, right? So we did that table equals, and then you just have to highlight it. And what that's going to do, that's going to put everything into a data frame. You can choose headers equals true, in this case it is. The Excel is a specific feature within Excel, and you highlight your columns. We're going to click that, and we have our data frame. So one of the cool things about that in Excel is you can go up here to this little button right here, and you can flip it back and forth to Excel, there it is, and Python object. What this means is you can call that data frame. So let's say we want to call, we create another one right here, right? So we'll do equal py, and it does go down. So just remember it goes down. So like if you have another data frame, it has to go right below it. So it goes in descending order, kind of typical how Python works, but I want you guys to know that. So if you do equal py to create another cell, let's call that data frame. So we want to call the data frame. We named it table. Look at that, guys. It can bring the table in. You don't have to type in print, and that will create that table. It's calling the table, and then we can also pass that to create that. So that's the idea, is it allows you to move those values around. So you can do a lot with that, of course. I just wanted to really show you guys exactly how Python and Excel works with data frames and how easy you can make that. Go back and watch this so you understand, but really you're just highlighting those columns. You don't have to type in Excel, it will do it for you. So for instance, if I want to redo that again, you go EPY, and we do that, and we say, we'll just say A equals this array, and then the array will be the data frame, and you can call that data frame and do different things on it with the Anaconda library that's in here and run different Python things on it. But that's how you get your data frame named, so you can start doing some cool things with Python and Excel